Hello, my name is Jonty. I'm an actor. Now, the publishers who are going to produce Pussy magazine have asked me to tell you all about how they've been overrun by some kind of weird cat revolution.
Meow.
3 years at drama school and now this. Fluffy tells me to tell you that it's not a weird cat revolution, it's a perfectly ordinary and respectable revolution.
Meow, meow.
The publishers are producing a magazine for cats, by cats, because cats.
Meow, meow, meow.
I am saying it like I mean it, it's just because cats doesn't really make any sense.
Meow, 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 meow.
All right, I get it. Yes, it's like one of those perfume adverts. Doesn't make any sense either.
Meow, meow.
It's enigmatic and classy.
Meow.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Meow, meow, meow. Meow. Meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow.
Fluffy says that all of the people who provide 24-hour services to catkind are to immediately pre-order their copy of Pussy magazine, and they're to tell the cats that they serve that it's full of fascinating articles that are relevant to feline living. Articles about tuna and catnip, scratching posts, squeaky toys, with exposés and celeb bants. Oh, come on. Bants? Nobody says bants anymore.
Meow, 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 meow.
What do you mean it reads the script? Pussy, the magazine for cats, by cats, because cats. Order your copy now. You won't regret it.
Meow.
Are you hungry, Fluffy? You want some tuna? You want some tuna, Fluffy? Wuffy? Come and have some tuna. Where's it? No, you.